getting airborne. I think the briefing said he's going to go and hold down to the south. Clashing away, completely different type of engine. So he's going to hold, then he's going to come back in, and then we're going to get the Tiger off. And I'm delighted to say that Tim is going to commentate, who's just arrived at the competition on all 1 Tiger off. Tim, you know you're going down to work. Welcome to the box. Have you heard the briefing on what's going on? Presumably it's out of limits for the Tigers. I can see them still on the model F-14, the Stim, and the B-17s, Vanbar, Globestars, Spartan and Bits, still yet on the batting order. The cadets from just down the road are moving around, and the Yak-50 just coming in with smoke. Completely different type of display. Yak-50, well, big, strong, all-metal, single-seat aerobatic aircraft, fabric-covered control surfaces. That's to save weight. Actually, the Yak-50 not equipped with flaps, which has been unusual for an aircraft like this. It's great handling characteristics enhanced by a relatively high power-to-weight ratio. That clattering radial engine at the front, 9-cylinder air-cooled radial engine, 450 odd horsepower, Russian horses. Just had one of the team talking Russian up here, so I went near him with the microphone. He nearly jumped off the side. It's tough but agile on this aircraft. Actually, it's won 2 aerobatic competitions. Well, actually, I think it was the pilot who did it using this aircraft. Remember, we had them in Kiev in 1976. And we had the World Aeros over there. Only about 90 examples still there worthy. I say it's tough. Plus 9G, minus 6. 9 times force of charity. So if you're holding a pint of beer at the moment, you went to 8G, that'd be holding a gallon of beer, which is a marvellous thought, but it's too heavy to hold. Going around the outside, beginning of a loop, over the top, not putting a thick one down, so completing a loop. If he had stopped halfway down on the 45 degree, that was a half Cuban. His standard loop, I haven't got his sequence. Check on the 45 degree half roll, round the half Cuban. And if he comes down to the other end and he pulls up again, which he's not going to do, he's going round onto the other axis. It would be nice to have his sequence, but we can't have everything. It is supposed to be smoky. He's got a smoke system in the aircraft. Indeed, when he comes back and land, when you park in the public area, you'll be able to see the good visibility from that cockpit. Tumble, flick over the nose, smoke filling up the cockpit. Then half roll down on the 45 degree. Now that half roll should be halfway up, halfway down of the maximum altitude, the lowest altitude you do to get a good score. Where's this one based, team? Okay, blank looks all around me.
smoke is being taken downwind. The wind is getting a bit stronger as we're going on, so I don't know what the Tiger team are going to be doing. They're having a rebrief about what they're going to do for the rest of the afternoon. Brakes, I think, on the 50 are pneumatic like they are on the 52. According last class to the Flight Control Committee. Flown by Ian Austin. It's a good display line here at Gransden. In fact, you can get that lovely, lovely curve going around.